Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Good morning, my neighbors! Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, Gwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Okay, so you are back for another vlog, another weekly vlog. And today is Tuesday at around 4:23-ish. I have some errands to run today downtown Toronto. And I'm not gonna say I'm late, you know. I don't want y'all to think that I'm late all the time, because I really am not. I'm just running a little bit behind time, but I wouldn't necessarily say I'm late, you know what I'm saying? I just have to get there by before 5:30, and it takes me approximately 45 minutes to get downtown. So we're gonna see how it goes. So we're going plain Jane today. It is midweek. I don't usually start my vlogs on Mondays because Monday is a part of my extended weekend. So I chill on Mondays or catch up with stuff that I should have caught up with on the weekend, and then we start the week off on Tuesday. So we're chill, no makeup today. We're going real natural with it. Yeah, I got my ombre brows together, you know, the natural ombre brows. You know what it's like waking up to your eyebrows already done. It is one of the best decisions I have ever made. So chill vibe today. So we're just doing it real simple with a little crop top. We got some denim ripped jeans and some Louis Vuitton sandals. And you know, I don't go anywhere. I don't go on errand runs without my Telfar shopper, my big medium Telfar bag. And yeah, that is it. So I'm gonna quit talking to y'all, get to going, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all when we get to our destination. I just completed my errands. It's about 7:30 right now. I really wanted to vlog and walk around downtown with you guys, but I was by myself, first of all. So I like to be vigilant when I'm downtown by myself, because a lot of crazies be lurking downtown, okay? So I didn't want to have my camera out since I was by myself, really, because I was like running, not literally running, but I was like trying to get to where I needed to get to collect a package, some documents, and I had to get there before the offices closed at 5:30, and I couldn't do it tomorrow or any other day this week. I had to get it today. I had that done, and then I had to get to somewhere else because I was running behind at that place because they took longer than I expected to do what they needed to do. So then I had to run to the other place that I needed to go to pick up a package that I had on hold there. So it was just a lot of running, too much going on to be vlogging, to be taking the time to be vlogging. So y'all had to miss out on that. So I'll just go downtown another day to like actually, you know, do something fun, maybe shop or something, so you guys could, like, you know, be on the outs and outs with me. Yeah, right now we're gonna do a little PR unboxing. Well, not much PR. This week I got mostly wig packages. I'm gonna save those until I actually do the video, because you know, I don't want to take them out. Most companies like when I unbox the wigs in the video, so I don't want to take them off. I want to give y'all a first impression, what it's really like straight out of the package. I am literally struggling on my legs and knees. Simba had me doing leg day in the gym, and baby, I am so, my legs are so sore. And then with all this moving and running up and down that I had to do today, it's crazy. So this is a PR packaging or PR package that I got from Juvia's place. Which collection is this? The Rebel. Is it the Rebel? Yes, it's the Rebel collection. So they sent me these. What are they? I think they're eyeshadows. I don't know, but we finna check it out. Open. Okay. So it's definitely eyeshadows. As if I don't have enough eyeshadows. Ooh, these are cute. Look at these colors, y'all. Like a blue mint. So this is the mint palette. These are pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely do some colors with that. Cool. We got the mint, and this is honey. Ooh, this is pretty. I love these colors. I love maroons and browns and those like sunset yellow orange looks. That is pretty. So we're using that one for sure. This is the grays. Okay, I'm interested to see this because I don't think I've ever used like gray shadows before. So this is probably new and interesting. The grays, oh my god. So it's definitely like silver, a dark, super dark navy with a gray tone to it. Is that what I'm seeing? I don't know, but it's mostly silvers. This is cute. That's interesting. I would try it. I'm thinking you could do like a dark base and then use a glitter glue to hold the more shimmery colors. And that's supposed to be fire. I might try that for sure. So this is Army. You already know how the greens go. I love green shadow. I absolutely love green shade in eyeshadow. I would do the swatch for y'all, but I'm gonna touch other things and I don't want to get shit on my fingers and then touch something else and then I'm gonna be pissed if it gets on there. So you already know I'm expecting nothing less from the green, the Army palette. This is pretty. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. So next on our unboxing for this vlog, I finally got my Brandon Blackwood purses. Now if you're not familiar with this brand, it is black luxury, black designer, black owned excellence. Okay. He's also Jamaican. I think he's Jamaican background. I don't know if he was born in Jamaica or nothing like that. I don't know. But he has a Jamaican flag in his bio. I ordered this in, well, Simba ordered this for me in, was it April? It was either May or April. I don't remember. But it finally got here. I'm supposed to have 3. I got 2. The first one was shipped to me like over a month ago, but then UPS keeps giving me like different rerouting emails and apparently it was sent back to them and I haven't received my refund, so I don't know. So I'm gonna probably have to email them to say like, oh, where my shit at, because apparently UPS said that it had no commercial, what they say, commercial invoice. So it can't come across international borders without having what is the package, how much it costs, all that. Because Canada is real funny when it comes to imports. Like they don't play about their customs fees and all of that. So yeah, I'm waiting on that third package. So anyways, let's see. So this is the blue suede bag. Is this the aqua bag? I think this is aqua suede. Oh, this is so freaking cute. I love it. The texture is amazing and it's the mini version. I like smaller purses. I just get I don't have a lot of big purses. Only big purses I have is for my telfie, because I like larger shopping bags for like errands, because I like to travel with my iPad to read when I ain't got nothing to do, and like just to drop shit in there. But when I'm going out, I love mini bags. Okay, I don't need a lot of shit when I'm going out. So this is how inside of the bag looks. It can't open any wider than this. This is how wide it opens, and it's super freaking cute. Now I should test if my phone can hold in it. So no ma'am, no ma'am. So my phone can't fit in there. So you can't fit your phone in it. Sorry, Pooh. You're gonna need the original size for your phone to fit. So you're gonna have to hold your phone in your hand, because baby, you can't fit in here. But it's super cute, and it comes with a handle, like a back strap. So if you want to wear it like a crossbody or on the arm or whatever, so it has that. But yeah, super cute. It's neat and small. And then our second purse, I've already worn this one. I wore this for the first time yesterday. So this is the orange. This one is not suede, it's just a solid orange. Oh my god, like this color is so vibrant and pretty. It's so cute. My only concern with it is that the fabric is really delicate, so you gotta make sure that you have clean hands, because this fabric don't play when it comes to holding on to stains and dirt. Okay, I don't know if I touched it right after I did my makeup, which I shouldn't have done. I don't know what it was, but like there's like a slight black stain on the corner here that I just can't get out. I don't want to put water on it because I don't know how it's gonna react to water. I don't know if it's gonna stain, like leave a wet stain mark on the side. I don't know, I'm not playing with it. Good thing is it's on the back, so I'll be okay. But yeah, it's small and cute. It holds everything in there. It holds a lot of stuff, not everything. I put a lotion in there. I put my lip gloss, and I put the travel size Laura Mercier translucent powder, and it all fit in there except for my phone. What I need to do is, no tea, no shade, but I'm gonna try to find me some women, black women designers, because it looks like the men are running the ish, and I gotta support the sisters. So if you know some black owned women black owned businesses, like designer purses, leave them in the description, not the description, leave them in the comments so I know what's up, so I could get me some purses. You feel me? Ooh, girl, my legs are on fire. So I went to Saks while I was running up and down after I finished doing what I had to do, and I picked me up a pair of Dior, Christian Dior sandals, baby. Some Dior. I'm a size 7. I just wanted a pair of Dior sandals. So this is the sandals that I got. Ain't it cute? I should get the purse to match with it, but the purses are hella expensive. I don't know if I want to buy that. I might just, but not right now. Cool. Oh, my legs. I should do the other pair. Let me try it on for y'all. Oh god, my legs hurt so freaking bad, girl. My legs hurt so bad. Okay. So this is how the Dior's look, Christian Dior. They're so cute. I love them so much. They're so small and dainty. They are giving me life. Love them. So that's that. I don't think I have anything else to unbox. I got a package from Boohoo, but I can't show you guys the contents in there as yet because it's going to be a sponsored video, so I have to do that on camera, so y'all can't see those items that I got from Boohoo until I actually do the clothing haul. So the clothing haul for Boohoo is coming probably sometime next week, because I'm gonna do the video this week while y'all probably seeing clips from this vlog. I'm gonna put in the Boohoo. I'm gonna do it this week. I'm trying to see if the Dior's match with my Brandon Blackwood bag. It's kind of off. It's off. It's 2 different blues, but I'm gonna wear them together. Forget all of that. I'm gonna wear these together. It kind of like, you don't need the exact shade of blue. It can be different types of blue. So yeah, that's that for our unboxing. I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna probably do some work. I have some wigs that I have to prep for videos this week and some edits. I gotta do a lot of things business related, but I feel so exhausted. But you know, when you gotta work, you gotta work. You know, bills don't pay themselves. So I'm gonna do that. The work never stops when you work for yourself, okay? If you wanna make that money, you gotta put in the work. So I'm gonna check in with y'all. I don't know when, but I'm gonna check in when I have the free time to check in. Oh, child, the bangs. Not the bangings. The bangings. What? Yo, so I just did this video with this wig from RPG show, and I had this wig for like over a month, and I just wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about it. But like, honestly, it's kind of cute. Like, she's giving me a little vibe, you know what I'm saying? Like, she's giving me a cute little vibe, giving me Latoya Luckett. Yesterday I showed you guys like the Brandon Blackwood bags, and I ordered 3 of those, and I only got 2 because one already explained that there was a problem with customs and all of that. So I thought they had the bag and I would have to email them, like customer service, to be like, hey, so the bag got sent back to you, like, where's my bag? Like, are you gonna send it back? Are you gonna refund me? All of that. Today I saw a FedEx truck and I'm like, do I have any FedEx packages? I don't know, I got a bunch of packages. It was my bag. So they got it back at their warehouse, and then they sent it back to me with a different carrier, thank God, and I didn't get any customs fee, which is fantastic because I was not expecting the bag. So I am so excited. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Oh, my foot is dirty. I did not lotion after I took a shower to do this video. So this is like literally the vlog of unboxing. That's what I've been doing this entire vlog, like showing y'all ish. Let's see, ooh, yo, this dress that I'm wearing, my titties keep falling out. So I'm trying to
put them back in.
Excuse me?
Put them back in.
Okay, they're not exposed. I said they're almost, like, titties almost falling out. Like, I'm trying to make sure I don't flash the people. What the hell are you shouting for? I'm so excited. Can y'all tell how excited I am for this one? This is the one that was I the most excited for. I don't know, girl, but I just know I want it. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new, I can't understand this writing, your new, I don't know what that is. I can't wait to see you. Y'all, can y'all read this? What in the doctor's note is going on here? So I got another mini trunk. Yes, in denim, girl, in denim. Yes, in the denim. Look how cute this is. Shoot. And got the name in a plaster and everything. That UNNU. What? And then of course you got the straps on the inside. I'm gonna try to get like bigger sizes next time, because you know, why purchase once when you can do it again and again? You know, support in the black luxury. So next I have a package from JBW watches. So they sent me a watch from their collection. I'm gonna see how we do. Bye. Let's cut it. Maybe not creep, bro. I have really small hands. Well, not hands. I have a small wrist. So when I get big face watches, it's like, it's just not it for me, because you know it'd be slipping and sliding and you can't take all the links out of the watch, or the watch is gonna look stupid, you know what I'm saying? So I go for more of smaller frames. So this one's looking, that's pretty cute. I like that. It's real classy and elegant. I'm feeling that. I'm probably gonna have to get it adjusted. I just know it. Oh, it sits on my hand real cute though. Look at that. It's really, you know, delicate and girly and just small, and that is my style. There we go. That's cute. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna take this wig off. That's my sister in the background being a weirdo and a creep. So I'm gonna take this wig off because I have gym in like an hour, and ain't nobody going into the gym with bangs in their face and makeup on. So I'm gonna have to wash my face off, take this wig off, and get ready for the gym. Probably get me something to eat as well. But yeah, the banging, you know, the bang I go with a bag of things. So I can't even lie, the bang of Gwan. But I go, oh gosh, but the bang of Gwan. So anyways, I'm gonna check in with y'all. I don't know when, but I'm gonna come right back. Okay, just give me a second.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, come Stella. Let me